Hello and welcome to the fourth video of this series where we will be making this coin have sound when Billy touches it. Alright, so last time we set off we got a point system. So we set our coin value, got a point system. So here, if we press P, and we can decrease lives as well. Sorry. So if you press P, press P, a shop comes up. Then you can press this purchase button, and this purchase button, they pop out, and if you press it, then your money decreases. If you can't press it, that means that you don't have enough money. So I have 7 coins, but this costs 15 coins, so when I press it, it won't do anything, because I don't have enough money. This, if I press it, I have 7 coins, it just costs 5 coins, so of course if you use logic, you can buy it. So if I purchase this, my money goes down by 5, and I get the armor. We haven't set the armor or the health yet. We haven't changed any variables yet for that. We'll do that in the last episode. But for now, we will be working on how to put sounds into our game. And we're going to be talking about variables today and what we want to do in this game. Alright, so let's first start off with variables. So do you see these variables over here, yeah? These lives, money, damage, coin value. Why I put these? If you listen to my last video, why I put these was that whenever the coin value changes, because we're gonna have another place over here for coin values, and we're gonna have different costumes for the coin. So if the coin value is, let's say, 2, we can make it purple. Duplicate this, we can make it purple. Something like that. Make the outline like that as well. Like that. So this would be like a 2 coin value 2 coin, and this will be coin value 1 coin. Alright, so something on the lines of that. So let's save this. Okay, alright, there we go, project saved. So with Billy, we have him touching the coin, right? So if he's touching the coin, that means he's interacting with the coin. So that means that if this else statement is true, then this will go. If it's false, then this won't go. So I'll show you something. So touching coin, this is false. As you can see over here, we are not touching the coin. So oops, put it under. Alright. Now with this, we want Billy to make the sound. So we have to go to sound. Alright. Actually, we need to go to sounds over here. So as you can see, there's a pre-downloaded sound over here. So if you play it go like this. I don't know if you could hear it or not, but it was pretty loud. But I'll put it later. But this is the pop sound. Let's go and find a new sound. We don't want that pop sound. So there we go. So this should be good. Alright. Yeah. Alright. So over here, we want this to play the coin sound and it's done, then it stops. We want to do that. So we don't want to just start sound coin and then just go on forever like that. Just gonna say play sound coin until done. So yeah, let's save this. Alright. So let's try it out. So let's get a coin there. So it makes a sound. Alright, so there's a minor problem over here. As you can see when we're playing, obviously the character stops because he has to run the code of playing the sound coin, which I thought could be played by the player. But that's obviously not true. So we have to change this. We can't let the player play it, otherwise the player will have too much to do and it will stop and the red character might just hit it. Alright? So let's play some coin inside the coin sprite. Alright. So over here what we want to do is that when it's touching Billy, we want it to play a sound coin. Alright? So over here we want to put it over here. Alright, so it plays and then it hides, wait for 0.5 seconds, then it goes to random position, then it shows. If you put it before this, it's gonna play. As you can see over here, it's 18 seconds. Well, 0.18 seconds. So it's gonna be a bit of a long time before this can run. So we're just gonna play this first, and then wait for 0.5 seconds. There. Save this. Alright, project saved. Let's try this now. Okay, the coin's over there. Okay, so it's not playing any sound. I see. We haven't put the sound over here. Whoops. Let's search for the sound. There we go. That should be good. Now let's try. There we go. Okay, there's another problem over here. As you can see, when I touch the coin, it just stops in midair like that. So when we touch it, it doesn't go away, and it's above our character. We don't want that. So let's change that. Just have to change the placement of the sound coin. Alright, so let's place it after the hide block. So hide, then play the sound. Like that should be good. Save this. Remember to save it every now and then. I don't really save it that much, but yeah, you have to save it every now and then. Alright, so let's get a coin. There we go. That should work better. There we go. So yeah, that's working well. So there's this red character over here. We want it to do something as well. So when it touches the player, when it touches the player, we want it to play a sound as well. So search for it. Alright, I'm just gonna put this. Doesn't sound the best, but I'm just gonna put this. So we want it to do this before it waits this much seconds, and then when to go to a random position. Alright, so yeah, let's try this out. So it can make sound. Okay. Doesn't make that sound. We don't like that. Okay. This only runs for when it's out of the shop, so he wants to put it over here as well. Okay. Don't need these. Just gonna put this above the weight, and then that should do it. Okay, save it. Okay, already saved. Okay, now let's do it. Okay, there's something wrong over here. So you see there, it touches it, and while it's touching it, it's waiting seconds, and then it touches it again, and decreases lives again. So as you can see, it's game over already. So over here, let's change it up a bit. So we want to put this up above, and this up above, like that. That should be good. So just wait this much seconds. Play. Actually, you know what? No. I have to go to. This is taking a while as well. So this sound clang sound takes a while as well. Let's try this out. This should work. This is not moving. This clang sound is a bit too long. But it's okay. Like this clang sound. This clang sound is taking a while, so that's why it just stops over there. Okay, so over here, now we might need to do something. Actually, no, we might not need to do something. Just when you're choosing sounds, just try and choose a shorter one. Like this is 1 second long. It's very, very long. So we need to just start it. So like we don't need to play sound until done. Just start the sound. Yeah, that should be good. So that means it's still not gonna stop probably. Save it. Alright, there we go. So ooh, that works. That works. Yeah, that works. That works. That works perfectly. Yeah. That works perfectly. Alright. So as you can see, this is not very reliable anymore. So what I want to do over here, I want to delete this. We don't need this. So we've just added sound to these two sprites. Alright, and we've tinkered it a bit with different sorts of ways. So now it's up to the purchase buttons. So the purchase buttons, we want to make something else. We want to make another sound for that. So let's choose a sound. Just wait until I choose a sound. Alright. Okay, here. This should be good. Don't know if we can hear it or not, but that's good. So if mouse down, this is also, we have to tinker it a bit, so bear with me. So let's say start sound collect, okay, and then say this. So when it changes the money by -5, we're going to do start sound collect and then say thank you for your purchase. So this should work. Let's try it out. So that works, this works, that works. That works, yep. Okay, let's press P. Okay, it's this button. So we're gonna try this button. Alright, we don't have enough money for that. Let's get out. Oof. That was a bit messy. Oh, I didn't change it for this part. Okay, I see. Okay. So we need to put the same over here. So let's get this out. Let's start sound clang. Not that. Alright. There we go, that should be good. Let's collect 5 coins and collect that armor. Alright, there we go. Let's open shop. Yeah, that's good. That's good. This is good. Now, we need to duplicate the sound into this one. So let's go here. Let's search it up. I know where it is. There we go. Okay. So over here we're going to do the same. We're going to start sound collect over here and then say this. Alright, so let's save this. Should be good. Alright, let's go. Now let's collect 15 coins. Okay, it should work the same. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, okay. Alright, that's working. That's good. So in the next video, it's the end of this video. It's a bit short. It's shorter than what I used to do. So in the next video, we're gonna end up our series. It's been fun making this with you. So tomorrow we're gonna end it. Tomorrow we're going to talk about the variables in this, and we're going to create the GUI for this. Actually, no, not the GUI, sorry. The upgrade for this. So we're going to put an armor on Billy, and it's just going to be like his outline is going to be different. It's not that much. And the health, I'm trying to find an icon for that, but we'll do that in the next video. Alright, so we're going to do these other upgrades as well, and we're going to put the upgrades to play. Alright, so let's end this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.